Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Python programming. Today we are going to see installation of Python. To install Python on Linux operating system, you have to go to www.python.org downloads. Follow the link to download zip source code available for Unix or Linux. Download and extract files. Edit the modules, set up files if you want to customize some options. Run or configure the script. For installing Python on Windows, go to www.python.org downloads. Follow the link for the Windows installer python xyz.msi file where xyz is the version you need to install. To use this installer python xyz.msi, the Windows system must support Microsoft Installer 2.0. Save the installer file to your local machine and then run it to find out if your machine supports MSI. Run the downloaded file. This brings up the Python install wizard, which is really easy to use. Just accept the default settings, wait until the install is finished, and you're done. Let us see. We'll type here www.python.org downloads. Here you will see the latest version of Python available, 3.12.4. Here the different operating systems are listed like Windows, Linux, Mac OS and other. Select according to your operating system. If this version is not supporting to your operating system or to your machine, you can go to downloads and all release. By scrolling you can see that all the previous versions of Python are available here. You can download any version according to your PC and you can start with Python. After installing the Python, you have to install Jupyter Notebook. It is an IDE to run your Python program. To install Jupyter Notebook, you need to install Anaconda. The Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Uses includes data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. Jupyter has support for over 40 different programming languages and Python is one of them. Python is a requirement, that is Python 3.3 or greater or Python 2.7 for installing the Jupyter Notebook itself. Once you have done with the installation of Jupyter Notebook, you can start the code writing. After successful installation, write Jupyter Notebook in the terminal or command prompt. This will open a new notebook server on your web browser. On the left top corner, click on the New button and select Python 3. This will open a new notebook tab in your browser where you can start to write your first code. Press enter or click on the first cell in your notebook to go into your edit mode. Now you are free to write your any code. You can run your code by pressing Shift plus Enter or the Run button provided at the top. So we'll see the demo. First we have to type Anaconda if you're using Windows. In Linux, you have to open the terminal. Type here Jupyter Notebook. Just click on enter. You will see that a new browser will get open, and this is the notebook. This is the Jupyter notebook. Here all your folders are there. All your files get stored over here. On top corner you'll see a new button. Click on it. Select Python 3. And this is your notebook where you're going to type your program. On top corner you'll see that this file is untitled. Click on this untitled to give title to your program. Rename it. You can see that your file is renamed now. Here in Python you do not have to include any header file. Directly you can start writing your program. For example, if you want to print hello world, you will directly write print. Either use single quotes or double quotes. Both are allowed in Python. No semicolon. To run your program, press Shift plus Enter or click on the Run button. See, you can see your output on same notebook, on same terminal, that is hello world. Next, if you want to take any variable, suppose a equals to 7, b equals to 5, I am taking a variable c equals to a plus b, and I'm just printing the value of c. You will see that if I press run, it is going to give me addition of two numbers. We don't have to specify what data type we are using. Automatically, the compiler of your Python understands that this is integer. Next is comments in Python. Suppose if you want to write something in comment to understand your program, you can use two types of command like C or Java. You can have two types of command, single line comment and multi-line comment. For single line comment we use hash. And for multi-line we are going to use triple quotes. Here you can write your program. Click on the run button. You will see that all the comments are not printed here. I've written hello world. That statement only got printed.